Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam, and we are in Sam's Tiki Bar. And what are we going to make today? It's a drink called the Pirate's Brew. It's a very strong drink, and it's not for the lighthearted. It's only for pirates and your wife. So, anywho, what is in this drink? It's very simple, but there's a lot of ingredients, and it's very strong. So, what we're going to put in it is 1 ounce of papaya juice. So I bought some papaya juice today, and I want to put in 1 ounce into my shaker cup. Then we're going to use 1 ounce of guava. 1 ounce of guava going right into the mixing cup. 1 ounce of mango. And then 1 ounce of passion fruit. Very tropical. I got these in the Latin American aisle at Wegmans. That's where I get these things. Now, the booze. Sort of wanted to go on a Long Island riff with this, so gin, 1 ounce. Here we go, gin. Oh, it's at the end of the bottle. There we go. All right, 1 ounce of rum. This is my spiced rum, but you can use any rum that you have. Just put that in there, 1 ounce. And then I have something new. A friend of mine got me this bottle of tequila. It's Tequila Pantalones. It's fantastic. I mean, just on ice, this is fantastic. I mean, the crushed ice, like in this thing, not that big. I mean, it can be, but that would be a good night. But this was, I had 2 of them. Delicious. Delicious. Unbelievable. Let's put that in here. 1 ounce. So, gin, rum, tequila, juice. That's pretty much it. And then you mix it. How am I going to mix it? I'm going to mix it in this shaker cup here, but I'm going to use a spoon. Here we go, and I want to cool that down. Let's just cool this down. I'm still cooling it down. There we are. So now I'm going to pour it over into my hurricane cup. That is definitely a neat color. Wow. But you know what? We're not done. We're going to top it off with some Sprite. There we are. You know what? I want to mix it a little bit. I want to get the Sprite incorporated into the drink itself. It's got a nice peach color, even though there's no peach juice in this. Let's see what it tastes like. Tiki Bar Sam, he's the wizard of the rum with the bamboo bar and a steel drum thrum. From coconut creams to a you know what? This drink isn't that good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna taste it again. It's not. But it's drinkable. It's not even improving. I don't recommend drinking this. Wow. I don't even know how to make this better. That drink was a total fail. But I'm still publishing it. You know why? Because I had a fan ask if all of the drinks that I make are good. Are all of them good? And the answer is yes, they are good. This one was not good. I wouldn't recommend making it. What movie would I not recommend to watch? That's a good question. What movie I don't want to watch They do love movies, but there has to be a movie out there that's just, you just turn it off because you don't want to watch it. The last Rambo movie. It was too gory for me. Like Rambo 6, I wouldn't watch it again. I saw it, didn't like it. Just too, I was even kind of scared. It wasn't like First Blood. First Blood's excellent. But the last Rambo, not happy. So, the Pirates Brew. Don't drink it. Don't make it. And don't watch the movie Rambo 6. Okay, this is Tiki Bar Sam wishing you a great weekend and a great day, and have a wonderful weekend. Okay, bye-bye.